If you're new to baking and wondering where to start, this video will help you. I'll quickly show you the different types of trays in an OTG, the baking tools you'll need as a beginner, and the different types of molds that you will come across. Let's begin. First, let's see the different types of trays that usually come with an OTG and how to use them correctly. A new oven comes with 3 trays: wire rack, baking tray, and the crumb tray. The first one is this wire rack. It is used when you have to bake a cake, bread, or muffins. Just keep your baking mold on this, put it in the middle level, and let it bake. This helps in spreading the heat evenly, and also it can be used as a cooling rack. The next one is this baking tray and is used when you have to put the food item directly on the tray, like pizzas or cookies. And the last one is this crumb tray. It is kept at the bottom of the oven to collect all the spills. So keep it there and do not use it for baking. So I hope this video would help you in understanding the different trays that you get with your OTG, and you would have a better baking time. Once you have your OTG, the next step is gathering some basic tools that will make baking easier. Starting your baking journey can be overwhelming, but don't worry. Today, I'll be showing you some basic tools that you will be needing when you are a beginner in baking. Precise measurements are the key to great baking. So invest in good quality measuring spoons and measuring cups for both dry and wet ingredients. You will need some mixing bowls, preferably of different sizes. This will help you in combining the ingredients without any mess. A whisk is great for mixing the batter and incorporating air, whereas spatula is needed for folding and scraping even the last bit of the batter. Start with a couple of basic pans like rectangular pans of different sizes and the basic round tin of different sizes. Having an oven thermometer can help you in judging the temperature of the oven. So having an oven thermometer ensures you are baking at the right temperature for perfect baking. With all these tools, you are ready to tackle almost any recipe. Finally, let's talk about the baking molds. Different types and what each one is used for. Confused by all the baking pans out there? Don't worry. Here is a quick guide to what is worth your money and what is best for your kitchen. So basically, there are 5 types of pans which are commonly used: aluminium pans, non-stick pans, glassware, bake and serve molds, and the silicone molds. Let's see one by one which one to use when and what are their pros and cons. So first one are these aluminium pans, which are low in price, they heat evenly and they last longer. But you have to grease them properly before baking. The next ones comes the non-stick pans. They have a black coating over them, and although they are non-stick, you still have to grease them. They are a little expensive. They need to be handled carefully and no scrubbing at all. Next comes in the silicone molds. They are best for cold desserts as they are freezer friendly and can be demolded easily, but they are not best for oven baking, especially if you want that brown color and crispy edges. Next in, we have the glass pans, which are actually easily available in the kitchens, but they are not very good for baking as they do not heat evenly. And also, if you have to use them, make sure that they are oven safe and microwave safe. The last ones are these bake and serve molds. They are oven safe and perfect for one-time baking. They are not good enough if you want to demold or decorate the cake. So choose smart based on what you bake the most, as choosing the right pan can make all the difference. These are some simple essentials to get started with baking at home. If you found it helpful, do give it a like and subscribe for more such helpful videos.